wake up.
Don't wait. I can't be ugly.
Nigga, we both just woke up. Everybody just waking up now that we doing this, bro.
I can't be. Okay, all right, let's go. All right.
Gang, you know what it is. Back on another one. I reacted to this one already, but my cousin, he ain't seen this yet. And this gonna be a try not to laugh again, because I failed it last time. Because it was racist, but it was so funny. Because it wasn't recent times, it was slave times they were making references to. With black people, but with white people, they were doing more recent ones. So we're gonna see if I can pass it this time. Cause come on.
Nigger. Holla, nigger. Holla, nigger. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet and call with your ass. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 niggers at my slave house. At my slave house.
No, that's him trying to make a song.
At my slave house.
The black guy is doing these songs like that.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whips ready to whip you down. 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 Man, you got some damn music, man, sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. You know, I got the tune.
His shirt off,
You crackers fucking all your brothers and sisters, yeah. You tried to kill your own mom, you need help. You shot the middle school up by yourself. You can't even season no meat, you need help. I know what'll make them crackers go crazy. I be running through their neighborhoods daily. Y'all be fucking monkeys cause y'all started HIV. They don't fuck with Jordans, they just wear Heelys. Y'all be running things on Android. You must be having babies by your blood cousin.
Sometimes.
Babies by your blood cousin.
Redneck homeless. Boy, I thought your white skin was a bonus. Shaking my head. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet ass, call with your ass. Yeah, bro, I got the slaps.
This should not be this hard.
Take me back to slavery so I can rape these nigger ladies. I just need me a little slave boo. Take me back to slavery cause I've been feeling racist lately. I just need me a nigger or two.
I've been feeling racist lately.
Sometimes I wonder why.
Don't laugh again.
Man, you got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. Time. Metro on that beat. These crackers don't know how to season chicken. That's why I don't trust them in the kitchen. I need me a snow bunny who gon' listen. Cause these black girls always fucking bitchin'. Racist police always wanna write some tickets. Boy, I was going 45 and a 50. They hanging niggas up in Mississippi. That's why I gotta keep a crack of vision. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet and call with your ass.
They always saying that. Using material, dude.
You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up to niggas escaping.
Oh, that's disrespectful.
Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up to niggas escape. Woke up. I woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. I woke up to niggas escape.
On top of that,
Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. Woke up to niggas escaping. Ooh, I think they running. Yeah, they running. You got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. Shit. Fuck kind of question was that?
Wait till you hear what he did. Wait till you hear what he said.
Rednecks. Fucking rednecks. Rednecks. Bad salts, meth and bad salts, meth, bad salts, meth and bad salts, zombie, rednecks, fuck them rednecks, fuck them, they fuck their kids, and they fuck their pets, yeehaw!
Bro, I know your ass got some music on your phone, bro. I'm tired of sitting in this quiet ass call with your ass.
Bro, you always ask me.
Play that shit, bro.
Alright, fine.
Know some young niggas I can hang. Do you know some young niggas I can hang? Fuck that nigga slave and a pussy stink. Every day drinking Kool-Aid. Made a light-skinned bitch my housemate. Loitering with some chicken wings. Whip a slave, I say whip a slave. If she leave the port, she go get hanged.
Why he hitting that dance though? Wait, this last part is disrespectful.
And once I hang a nigga, when he go up, he ain't coming down.
Right, I would have choked him too.
Yeah, one of them finally did something.
Fuck, man, I'm hungry, bro. What the fuck, man? Where the fuck my fork at?
Right there in your fucking hand, your fat ass.
Oh, shit.
Fuck you doing eating a salad anyway? Can you play some fucking music, bro? See
You ain't
this
gotta tell
quiet
me,
ass
bud.
fucking car.
You ain't gotta tell me.
This shit sound like it might crank. Crackers, I don't really care if you're white. I'm still gonna
What's
fuck
in
your
his belly
white
button, though?
wife. I can see the racist sitting in your eyes. I'm gonna fuck her while listening to Plies. Your sister fucked your dad. That is why you're mad. You can't go to the beach. The sun makes you turn red. Trump is your best friend. Honky motherfucker shooting schools up off their meds. You crackers smell like pets. You smell like dogs and wet. You are fucking gross. You're trifling and shit. White people try to keep black people from reading back in the slave days. White people suck ass. Trump is a little bitch.
Music on your phone. I'm not finna keep sending this quiet ass call with you, bro.
First of all, you need to calm your fucking attitude
Man,
down.
play that shit, bro.
This shit not finna make it not hot.
Bitch, this music, huh?
They even Cardi B bogus.
Say nigga, bitch, you can't fuck with me if you wanted to. Fuck that chicken and that watermelon and that barbecue. Your little butt got on Jordans and your fucking rent due. And when I see a nigga in my house, I feel uncomfortable.
Is you, bruh? Why are you bumping to this?
I'm not bumping to it. I'm just like, damn.
That's bumping to it. You shaking your head to the beat. That's bumping to it.
I'm gonna have to use my news. Said I don't fuck with blacks. White power. We do.
Why this last one went hard to me though for some reason? I don't know why.
It's money moves.
This
Look, bro, I'm
this
not
one,
finna
this the
keep on
last
sitting
one.
in
This
this
one
quiet
we
ass
talked
car with your
to me.
Velcro face ass. Fuck a cracker, you got bumps on your face.
Hey.
Racist police tried to spray me with some mace.
Hey.
White devil, bitch, your soul filled with hate. Bitch,
Hey.
you mad cause your mama booty flat like pancakes. We can't be friends cause your dad owns some slaves. You go to bars and drink vodka to the face. White bitch, silly cracker took his daughter on a date. Bitch, you ain't know that that was fucking statutory rape. Chew tobacco at the NASCAR race. Bitch, you smell like doo-doo, fuck out my face. Ew. Your bitches got no body, flat booty race. I like your muty bitch, you'll die today. Shoot a cracker right through his toupee. White people have no legacy. Not at all. Fuck white people. You pink looking bitch. White people look like baloney. Fuck white people. You nasty pimple face, nasty bitch. Your cousin fucking bitch. Your beer drinking, tobacco chewing, cousin fucking bitch. Fuck.
That was
Yeah.
kind of fun.
And
That
as
was the
you-
last one was lit.
Yeah, and as you can see, I passed his time, and this nigga tragically lost. He lost tragically.
Because you already seen it, so it didn't count.
Dude, I almost lost
Y'all
like
tell us that
I almost
count,
lost
Chris.
every
You
time.
watched it before.
Gang, gang, gang.
We gonna
It do
watch
count.
All right, we're going to watch another one then. See
We're
what
gonna
happens.
watch another
That
one.
we both didn't
We're about
watch.
to go do another one that we haven't watched yet. Okay? The gang, gang, gang. Peace out, bro.